doctor has mentioned type 2 diabetes and the possibility of a diagnosis. Understanding the disease and researching the type 2 diabetes symptoms will answer a lot of questions. Some of the symptoms include extreme thirst, increased appetite, blurred vision, overweight, fatigue and increased urination. Some people have absolutely no symptoms at all, but they have family history of the disease. Type 2 diabetes is when the body has a problem processing sources of sugar, such as carbohydrates, proteins and fats, and also has problems making or using insulin. Insulin is used to move the glucose into cells where it is stored for later use as energy. When a patient is diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, their body is not utilizing the insulin to move the sugar into cells and the sugar is building up in their blood. The higher level of blood sugars encourage the pancreas to produce insulin, but it is never enough. Hypoglycemia occurs when the sugar, or glucose, levels drop too low in the blood. This is a common event in type 2 diabetes when the patient is learning how to use diet, exercise and medicine to control their sugar levels. Type 2 diabetes diets can help control the blood sugar levels greatly. With some patients, eating a diet that controls their weight and allows for weight loss will get their sugar under control. A type 2 diabetes patient needs to eat fewer calories, control the carbohydrates, and consume healthy monounsaturated fats instead of carbohydrates. Healthy monounsaturated fats can include almonds, walnuts, peanut butter and almond butter. Including regular exercise on a daily schedule will support lower blood glucose levels and aid in a healthier lifestyle. Type 2 diabetes treatments can include several different options. Once it is a proven fact that diet and exercise will not completely control the blood glucose levels, medicines are taken into consideration. There are several different types of oral medicines that a doctor may try. Alpha-glucosidase inhibitors, biguanides, meglitinids and sulfonylureas are just some of the possibilities. There are also some injectable insulin formulas that can help when the oral medications don't. It is important to know, when the patient gets down to a medically desirable weight, it is possible that blood glucose levels will be under control with no medications. The goal of a newly diagnosed type 2 diabetes patient should be to eat healthy and exercise daily to keep their blood glucose levels under control. Learn more at type-2-diabetes.info.